These are WaterBears. They're tiny little cleaning cloths that safely clean your lenses and screens. Simply take it off your device, clean your screen, and once done, stick it back in place. On the back, it's made of a silicone adhesive gel, so you can stick it to any surface without leaving residue. The front is infused with an antimicrobial agent, so it not only cleans your screen, but removes unwanted bacteria. And whenever the stickiness wears off or gets dirty, simply rinse it off with water and air dry to restore its sticky texture and cleaning powers. We all have dirty devices. Why not have a convenient solution to clean them at any time? Clean up your life and get yourself some WaterBears today.
This genius little patch was inspired by NASA and can clean virtually any screen or lens. I had no idea how badly I needed a WaterBear until I tried it for a day. I'll never go back. As an iPhone owner who wears glasses, I feel like I'm fighting a never-ending battle against smudges and bacteria. My camera lens, my phone screen, my glasses, even my sunglasses are all constantly covered with nasty grime. Keeping my phone, my camera lens, my glasses clean, it's a nightmare. I carry around a spray bottle with a microfiber cloth, but it's messy and takes up a lot of space. A friend of mine who's a photographer showed me WaterBear on a recent shoot, and I'll tell you, I had to get one for myself. WaterBear. It's a little patch that sticks to the back of your phone, and it cleans any type of screen or lens in one quick swipe. Let me tell you, I am so glad I got one. I literally use this at least 10 times a day. It feels great to know that my phone, my tablet, my laptop, my camera lens, my glasses and sunglasses are all covered and cleaned by one tiny little square that sits on the back of my phone or device. It's so convenient. Look, WaterBear is totally worth it for your phone alone. But if you also wear glasses, sunglasses, you take photos, it's an absolute must-have. Get one. Trust me, WaterBear.